The development of new materials requires a fundamental understanding of the relationship of a material's atomic and molecular structure with its properties and behavior. Using Materials Studio, researchers in many industries are engineering better performing materials of all types, including catalysts, polymers, composites, metals, alloys, batteries, fuel cells, and more. Materials development is accelerated by the use of simulation methods at a range of length scales, from the atomistic and molecular scale in order to predict bulk chemical reactivity in the development of catalysts and material properties, to more coarse-grained simulation of mixtures to predict the structure and properties of blends and composites. Ultimately, these models can structure property input for engineering scale simulations in order to predict the bulk properties of composites. The development of catalysts with high reactivity, specificity, and long life is an important R&D activity in the chemicals and petrochemicals industries. Through the use of simulation tools in Materials Studio, catalyst structures can be quickly screened in order to identify relationships between chemical structure and catalytic activity. About 20% of the energy consumed in the U.S. is for powering chemical reactors. An improved catalyst providing a 1% efficiency gain in energy consumption can lead to savings of hundreds of millions of dollars. Prediction of electronic and optical properties of materials has driven the development of new candidates in the field of photonics and solar cells. Materials Studio provides the ability to screen potential photoactive dyes for improving solar cell efficiency by prediction of the emission energy and current voltage relationships for new materials. Modeling and simulation software will allow researchers working with specialty chemical companies to predict and understand how, for example, chemical structure can be modified to reflect different colors. Researchers must also know how their modifications can, in turn, affect a material's property and behavior. Materials Studio is integrated with BIOVIA's open, scalable, and scientifically aware platform, making it the industry's most compelling value in materials modeling and simulation. Expert scientists can encapsulate and automate best practices in reusable workflows using BIOVIA Pipeline Pilot and its scientific collections, including the Materials Studio collection. It can also be integrated with third-party or in-house applications to extend the breadth and depth of science supported by Materials Studio. By combining BIOVIA's Pipeline Pilot engine with the simulation capabilities of Materials Studio, powerful simulation methods become available to scientists to easily and rapidly screen new materials for a range of industrial applications and to guide laboratory work on the most promising candidates. The benefits of applying modeling and simulation in materials development are significant. Up to 20% product improvement through broader exploration of solutions. Up to 25% reduction in experiments. Up to 20% improved productivity through enhanced collaboration.